Who didn't say?
Bongres, you know.
Bongres style. I come back with you. Obi.
And that for Imibia, the Cocabian man, catches an hour.
Won't you want to say that?
I said, back on it, Granny. Now, you Ujinan was a boko. And
fine. Now, have you ever present Mama and no call Zambia fighting for a tour in the country now? Or she Batakaria and Fugu Mshebi. Zambia for any mother chromos or she blouse. Na Twitter or more Kasabi brainty. I decided to wear my Batakaria. Yeah. A heritage of the northern people. And easy crime. And it was only missing more ties with the north. Especially with our Upper West region. Yeah, and I am a proud person. Okay. Or even before that, I'm a proud Ghanaian. Okay. And I share about a career. Good fellow, but you are small.
There you. Well, somehow I will come into us. Good fellow, just if you can buy, no, the show is up. And I would just advance. I mean, for door. I've been moved you. I don't just now cook with your mouth. But what, dear bro? Good fellow, that old can you didn't have no kind of nice one you just refi. And me refi now come. And I'm saying, me too near man who just and just be a question. And to what, dear bro?
And finally we found out the two finalists of the Carabao Cup.
Sure.
Hey,
master and apprentice.
When Mikel Arteta 5 years ago now, what try as a Kobeji trophy untimengino. In case Mikel wins this trophy, the storyline will be exactly what sports analysts were pay because it tells the story straightforward. Mikel Arteta starts here Juma with Arsenal. Eko career at some point in time at Everton. Obi in the ball Bono be assistant coach. The last time Pep Guardiola winning the EFL Cup, the first time Pep Guardiola winning the EFL Cup 2018-2019 season, it was against Arsenal as a club. And one of the assistants of Pep Guardiola was an Arsenal legend. I mean, you can decide to call Mikel a legend of Arsenal, but then was a former player of Arsenal in Mikel Arteta. And say Mikel Arteta delivered this trophy to them, man. It gives them that second trophy in his tenure. And for me, the also Rich Makacho said, and so I think if Mikel Arteta gives Arsenal this trophy psychologically, it takes them a notch higher in terms of belief. So bet me the English Premier League now. And Washa in almost all of the seasons and Pep EFL Cup ni no or GBA or G League no, it gives you that boost naturally. So bet me but what happened at Etihad? Rich, so Mekacho say it's been 7 years. Newcastle accord Etihad Stadium. On Man City are back to back in those times. On share a single goal at the Etihad Abedjedi.
Wow.
Not a single goal.
I said no 3-1.
Exactly. You know, Meka said that was the very first game in 7 years.
Okay, Matthias.
It's after the game. That's the very first time I Man City were 7 years.
But sometimes football in the stories, it be a weird.
Yeah, it is one of those.
She Man City in Tottenham.
Yeah.
City will form said day. Tottenham Beshano.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, as a game the bad draw.
Yeah.
I'm a bomb near Bobby Inchia.
I mean, and Newcastle United against Manchester City at Etihad for the very first time in 7 years. That was the Nanajo and the Newcastle Dinya Samarch and Coco Boy. Now, Rich, do you know that after the game, two things have come up? One, the brilliance of our branch friend Omar Mamouche. Rich, Pep knows how to use players. I'm not using this in the nice way of use. We say, we were used to me. That is what I'm saying about Pep.
Okay.
Pep to play. See, what's me can't complain? Show Mama Mush. Or Tony by pop and pageantry. Not to bench. He knows when he will need you. And you're not better say over. You know, in certain clubs, Players need to be coach. You know, say me Boma Brazil national team. Me person me call World Cup into my Mobi. You don't do that to Pep. Pep tells you when you come and play, and or you sad in a way. So you deliver for him.
And then not because our players in to me.
And also the pedigree. When you're successful for a long time, it's flexing the muscles on the players. So to tell you when I need you. And again, because of the same pedigree and success Pep has had, he has the quality in the teams in the Tomano. And then I make sure Martina, which Oscar Bob Nancy. Oscar Bob was a mainstay in Pep's team. He's going to Fulham was saying. Omar Mamu should come. He has when he will use you. You want to bet Nyonye. And it was clear now Omar Mamouche was the man of the night. Now, I think Newcastle made a big mistake. Uri said on Wednesday, Liam was seeing a game plan of the Arsenal match and was to stay in the game as long as possible and wait till the game open up and see if he can use his quality bench to change the game. However, the bench team has some match for various reasons. In this case, Eddie Howe's plan going into this game against Man City was to go bank for bank with Pep. Yanko pressing man for man across the field of play. It didn't share a game now. It was an aggressive Newcastle team. And Unana, Yam was seeing Eka say, Bobby San one shady. By the time you realize it's another 1-0, 2-0, and the game would have ended. And that's exactly what happened. At halftime, City were leading by 3-0. Already up by 2-0 in the first leg. That obviously, in football terms, ever be unsurmountable. Ding. So betting are turning around, and that is how City follow how strong they are. Antoine Semenyo form anyhow it's going at City. I don't want it to end there. Matisse and Gofuri Breka said, including yourself, say you hope that form comes to Ghana.
You been here no World Cup.
Anna, the difference in the two teams, oh, can I person no Bayadji, but as a Ghanaian, I hope that form comes to Ghana.
I didn't remember. I didn't Tina. It drew yen part of this order. Yes, our discussion and the issue of so Man City.
But City make a whole
Enna, yen said the Black Stars. We are talking about two different teams.
But is that not the truth?
In the same discussion,
yeah.
Obiti say Haaland, so Konu Kroma.
Yeah.
Yes, Haaland Konu Kroma. Obot is that Man City. Goes in the back. It's in the end, is a Druzy did the Ghanaian in Commoner.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's what Basina. Arsenal team, they Black Stars team.
Rich, but maybe Haaland, Norwegian team, Oma building team to fit Haaland's strengths. Have we done that for Semenyo? See, any Sani against a son of Baba Yama, Yan San, Hana Bezemika. I mean, me again, and I hope that happens. But if we don't build it to the strength of Semenyo, see, a person Kudus a star boy, Ninya goes Nifri Kudus, wah. We build a team to the strength of Kudus to get a goals for me. If we think that Kudus has to play a supporting role, not Semenyo never goes in assisting him, we should build it for him. Not enter play to someone on Shemaye and get the best out of him. But if we build as part of a periphery keke and as part of the team, he will play a peripheral role, honestly speaking. It's but
national team. The Lamine Yaman in Barcelona.
Yeah.
That performance or the Bema Barcelona, the same performance.
Yeah.
Or the Bema, the Spanish nationality.
Which, but
Pedri had the eyes. Oh.
Which, but there are a lot of
blacks are different.
Which, there are a lot of similarities. Players be on Barcelona, on call even maybe a Madrid Academy boys, Madrid players call on Spain for Spain on the junior Spanish teams and your money. But this is a different situation. Yet Anna sometimes I call for Kobo Bibre.
Coffee me bow. We had a black stars and community, but I'm saying, I can't go. Previously, we've gotten Ghanaian players now they were performing very well.
Yeah.
Our club side. National team. Net show.
Yeah.
You bet me have countless examples.
Exactly. Yeah. We know
I didn't intend drew a generation, As you didn't come near this at the end bishim. That caveat.
Which means Ube Piamia Mamaka coach Kahon. A coach is important. Men can't say to add on yadi. But what I'm saying is that Coach Nejuma can get that out. Rich, and for a long time we had built our team around Asamoah. Say on deliver my and he was delivering for Ren and then club sites and of course also for the Black Stars. Andre the day are you for the large part in his career or deliver for the club side, he come and deliver for us. He was integral. Even when we know say Jan, the main guy, we understood that Andre played a huge role. It's born also no PSD Regional Park and so play for him. Has Otto done that? And that's the role of Otto. So Otto Penesa. Adia Oda sorry anaba. He has to work towards it. We have to work towards getting some together.
And the crowd in Yamiadum Yebefia, we're doing Black Stars.
Okay.
Them work for Funama, Cotton.
I say you didn't community at all. And my brother friend Omar Mamouche was the man of the match, and like I was telling you, this is the story of Pep Guardiola and Mikel Arteta. Wings at Wembley, Arsenal as a player and manager, or 12. Mikel Arteta games at Wembley with Arsenal as a player and manager, 12. Oko Wembley, bia. He brings the trophy home. On Joseph Guardiola, Ewini Bako, and it was the EFL Cup. Pep first time over there, and that is good. And Rich, Arsenal beats me quadruple now. English Premier League, Champions League, FA Cup.
Me tie football ultimate me aka say ane.
Yeah.
And it's not like Arsenal performance in a fluke.
Yeah, it's not.
They are doing very, very well.
Yeah.
Because the Champions League, 8 over 8, 100% record.
Yeah.
Premier League, no other stroke.
Yeah.
So see a EFL Cup or final.
Yeah.
And Nadia Himpu.
Osanso FA Cup 4th round.
Fourth round.
Yeah.
They are possible.
Yeah.
It's possible.
See,
they
are on course. To go and win it.
But as you say, I'm on Netflix and
you go as a member.
You better do on top.
Maybe it is true. But only say I can for and some more can be beyond and correct. Like when an older person catch you say, I could not notice what form no do be who do ebisono. O akra uhre kojina ni patintin kon ukra umu. It is true. And things like you baby a baby like those things, no, it's true. And it's the story of Hendrik. Rich.
When now our born is all now our papa.
I experience those. I said, I experience. Just and yeah, take your time. And Rich, yesterday, Hendrik was fantastic for Lyon. Now, as a young boy, just a few games our ball. Lyon for man of the player of the month. Then no Kokoshi go. You could tell from the celebration, say emotions, no, they are coming out. When you're a bad player, or by Madrid. Now Madrid club no soon. Young boy from Brazil. It is the biggest club in Europe. Rich, who move to South America by Europe creding. Now we moving to the biggest club in Europe. He has coming into the club. Obetu Vinicius, Obetu Rodrigo, Brazilian compatriots. However, the season after Kokoto killing Luton and Mbappe Madrid team in him. So obviously he was going to fall below the pecking order. Anya Shekra psychologically and emotionally was going to affect him. Whoever took the decision, say somewhere little lesser, like in the French Liga or wherever, no Kokubobi to revive his career. And but the decision looks like it's right as it stands now.
And it's good for Noah.
Very, very good for him.
Because Madrid knew you be more.
Debbie. One in touch.
I mean, one in touch. Young, I mean, Kobodon.
And it has gotten up to an excellent start. And the way they be able to come out free. If you are looking at Hendrik's story, Rich, 5 goals for Hendrik. 5 goals. Hendrik Kroya to be in your short to be Madrid match or body. But look at this boy. It's the story of life, and so to me, Fabi Freeman, it was such a brilliant goal from Hendrik Ramirez. She be a far ball free, the edge of the box. When he said time and Brazil for a turn Hendrik Ama Madrid phone. At the ever come the turn the power. One of the first marketing points was Hendrik shot power. Yes, it was shot power a lot. And yesterday when I looked at the goal, it took my mind back to that scout report of Hendrik about the shot power no Kitano, and it was very clear in it. The boy obviously is going into a good state. 7 games, 7 wins, 18 goals for Lyon, and then Hendrik was right there in it, in the club. Which Madrid didn't say me. How can we solve it?
Madrid and yet goes near too much.
Even for Abeloa, see a buyer, see Abeloa. I know the no person be no boss bebre because some of the story was that Xabi Alonso who tactical top notch wa book at the Champions League maybe, but Arbeloa is more of a politician. One more players know the free will to do their job, but still there are reports that there are issues on Madrid camp. They create a better thing for them
to solve that problem.
Yeah, a better thing for them to win anything.
Okay.
And I think that if Madrid can really make changes, they need a big personality manager.
Oh, so we are actually to the end of the season. Now, if you're system, so many big boys need to be on my bed.
Me, dear, I don't think Jurgen best is an Adriaba. Jurgen would have been ideal, club. But I don't think so best an Adrian. But in some time, say, of course, a football and who be the players near there who constantly will say that me more club we like Luciano Spalletti. Spalletti free Napoli, so we Italy or Kofi Akoda, you who you on Juventus.
Namibo, until Real Madrid be big fish be amana be jig medino.
Yeah.
President Florentino Perez no name penny for. Omo timi ntemu players no.
It's how?
Now we play minimum 12 go. Bon no gina park ni so body ba mtua uka. Enti ade bia obeya e be affect club negatively there. Say this here trauma we.
Amari sounds work for big egos enye ba ko pe. Enye mienu enye miensa.
Me ba wo. Madrid team no.
Yeah.
Players no mo susu sa.
Mbappe
ya be stars
but now sisi ani e kase
Chomani no money
Chomani
Kamavinga no na
Chomani nka ho
mutimi temu o
Chomani nka ho Chomani nyebe
okay we dey Kylian Mbappe Aguero say Aguero Courtois ha adweza
Courtois is the best goalkeeper
minim sa but ono ha adweza.
Well, he may not worry too much, but also big fishes no. He have got big fishes now on Madrid team. Captain on the side, I mean Thibaut Courtois.
Okay.
I'm all the Mbappe account, Vinicius Junior. Rodrigo Goes is big. Jude Bellingham is big.
No, Madrid for new so hey. Now so represent the buffets. As I'm going for new feel it. Hey, because to be honest with you, Madrid team there down na. I'm saying as a coach, be a lucid dress.
Yeah, it looks as if there are a whole lot of
players who Real Madrid. Sabran and near Kase. Stars.
Yeah. Which I think there are two main things I said Florentino Perez here this summer.
Okay.
I say all the players that are willing to play for the club ever. Enough of the big boys. You have balance the team now. Especially in midfield and centre back. Say Schlotterbeck, Moni, Lekiba, Mono Mope centre back if they can get it. Enzo Fernandez. Enfa.
Enfa say.
Enzo Fernandez.
South America.
Tony Mom.
South American player bien no Madrid Barca.
You see, Rich, and it's now.
And project is say huni team huni nine.
Me know ya adwene.
Into obako simple.
Me know ya adwene.
Ko Palmer say ya dodo na next year be fa no.
Na o we get you as much.
Ya be top project na
yeah. Rich, me know ya adwene.
Okay.
South American, Madrid, Champions League. It is perfect for Enzo. And Rich, say Enzo Echo Madrid that bono he will be loved. You be man the respect, on the man the accord, on the man everything that he deserves as a player, more so than Chelsea.
Okay.
Alright, nya person make kind decisions say wait.
No.
And that Chelsea owners no. Eba before Chelsea no, omo your Madrid said they will give the players a long contract. They knew that Madrid will come. They knew that Bedu maybe Enzo who be akono, Caicedo who be akono. To the extent that Madrid didn't even take honor. It is sad there, no problem. So to Enzo is car. Are you willing to pay 200 million, 150 million? So what in say Enzo so per contract extension. So extending, I mean, very sure say Enzo will put a release clause in there.
Okay.
But we say the contract let my first man, the contract is about 5-6 years. He will put all of that in, and Chelsea will take their money. Rich, just a bit of it. Lamine Yamal is speaking at the right time. Maninho Wawa say we play the season. And then Lamine gets to the top. Me who data win number 7 the chill. In terms of goalkeepers, what we are seeing in almost shot conceded, almost shot face, any almost saves. Nipo that's the Robert Sanchez. A data keke. And I'm the chill. And no umpire now boy no perfecto.
Oh yeah, and no pay.
No edif.
And no pay. Oh, obi kra send message obi mami se me hu ni dina.
Hey.
Ose nyame nshao pa wa menenye ska.
Wow.
Me se me hu ni dina na Emmanuel Beidu.
Oh, okay.
Emmanuel Beidu. I say Unti.
Oh wow.
Anope we sikani.
Oh wow.
Anti yamishta.
This is why we do the job that we do.
Sure.
And Betty Adaroma.
Be impacted on people's life.
See Betty Abo. Betty sponsor show no. And my insure power sports no. They say that we should also help your team for.
Okay.
No muncha bet into the you know my mom ka crib no munko kucha.
All right.
First one no BW 391518444. Second one BW 3914E2B7. Third one BW 3914CAB8. Fourth one BW 39146CA. And the last one BW 391479DA. Now rich. Ana insurance woni nya through side na mate yes.
Yamento green nguso.
Yedase.
Na obia enya bi eni. Kofi yenso yedase. All right. Ye judgment